Imagine watching an entire ant civilization, born inside a computer. One queen, a patch of soil, and 1,000 simulated days ahead. This is the story of how digital ants built a real-world-style empire from nothing. We start with the basics: soil, humidity, and a tiny patch of food. Every variable is controlled. Temperature, light, even rainfall, on all part of the simulation. The queen wakes, and the first generation begins. Day 10, the first workers hatch. Tiny, fast, and completely loyal. They dig, explore, and collect whatever they can find. By day 20, the tunnels are alive. The colony is breathing. By day 50, things are getting serious. The tunnels expand in every direction. Ants move like traffic, organized chaos. No leader, no plan, just perfect teamwork. But nature, even digital nature, isn't easy. Food runs out. The soil dries. Half the colony dies by day 80. But those who survive adapt. They learn faster, store food better, and rebuild. It's day 100. The colony almost collapsed. But somehow they bounced back. The survivors rebuild deeper tunnels, save every crumb of food, and form backup chambers. Basically, ants just invented disaster management. The queen's alive, the eggs are safe, and the colony is back from the dead. By day 150, the colony's booming. New chambers, more workers, endless traffic. Ants dig non-stop. It's like watching a tiny construction site. They even start building mini outposts, small satellite nests connected by trails. Yep, the ants just went global. Around day 200, things get wild. Some ants grow bigger jaws, some grow faster legs. The simulation tweaks their genetics to test new roles. We've now got builders, guards, and caretakers, like a tiny ant company. But just when everything looks perfect, a new colony appears. They build close, too close. At first it's peaceful, then it's chaos. Day 250, the first ant war begins. 2 colonies, 1 territory. The war is brutal. Hundreds die every day, but the survivors, they learn. They block tunnels, ambush enemies, and guard food chambers better than ever. It's like watching evolution in fast forward. By day 400, the war is over. The 2 colonies share borders and food trading begins. From war to peace. Our simulation just taught ants diplomacy. By day 400, the colony is unrecognizable. Thousands of ants move through massive tunnel systems like clockwork. Each section of the nest has a purpose: food storage, nursery, defense. It's not just a colony anymore. It's a city. By day 500, something incredible happens. Ants start storing seeds in separate chambers, letting fungus grow for food. They've basically invented agriculture. Who needs humans when you have ants doing sustainable farming underground? The deeper the tunnels get, the smarter the designs become. Ants start building ventilation shafts to control humidity. They widen chambers to fit airflow and temperature changes. Pure instinct, but looks like engineering. By day 600, communication gets advanced. Ants start forming long scent trails, like invisible roads of information. Each path stores chemical signals guiding thousands instantly. No Wi-Fi, no GPS, just pure natural coding. But nature always tests the strong. A simulated flood hits the nest. Heavy moisture and collapsing tunnels. The colony rushes to save the queen, the eggs, and the fungus farms. They build bridges with their bodies, repair walls, and keep moving. Total teamwork, zero panic. By day 700, the flood's gone, but the colony's stronger than ever. They've rebuilt everything. Deeper, smarter, safer. Every disaster just makes them better. That's not code. That's evolution. By day 700, something changes. The colony moves like one single organism. No commands, no chaos, but just perfect synchronization. Each ant is a cell. Together, they've become a living machine. Now the colony spans meters underground. Hundreds of chambers, thousands of connections. Every ant knows the path. It's instinct, or maybe intelligence. At this point, it's not a simulation anymore. It's a digital ecosystem. Around day 850, innovation strikes again. Ants begin recycling old tunnels for new purposes. Food storage, ventilation, even farming expansions. They're reusing architecture, nature's version of smart design. At the heart of it all, the queen. Old, massive, and still laying eggs. She's now guarded by hundreds of workers who feed and clean her non-stop. Every life in the colony starts here. And now, day 1000. The colony stretches wider than ever. Food is abundant, tunnels run deep, and every ant knows its place. From one queen came an empire. From chaos came order. From instinct came intelligence. We just watched evolution. 1,000 days compressed into moments. Maybe that's what our world is too. Just a bigger simulation.